Hey guys, Jason Brown here, and you see that guy over there? That's my other self working really hard. I have a new course that I'm launching and bringing out about how to get started trading in the stock market. And I wanted to invite you, if you're a friend or a family member of mine, to come check out this webinar that we're hosting, because we're going to be releasing the course. And I don't think he wants me to tell you, but we're going to be giving away a discounted price for our friends and family.
Hey, I heard that.
See,
I heard that.
Make sure you get registered. So if you're connected to me on Facebook, connected to me on LinkedIn, then you're a friend, you're a family member. In fact, anyone that's a friend of yours or a family member of yours is a friend of mine and a family member of mine. So feel free to invite anyone who's ever wanted to learn how to get started in the stock market if they want to take advantage of the special pricing that I'm going to be releasing on Tuesday. And we're going to be closing that cart shortly after. And then we're going to be selling it for regular price. So trust me when I say show up for this webinar and make sure you get registered. The details are going to be below. So I'll see you on the webinar.
You're not giving this thing away again, are you?
You always got to talk about me behind my back.